They're saying, Brandon, what's Godonomics?
Godonomics is really God's wisdom on money. It used to be called common sense back when there actually was some around. It's about being generous. It's about not stealing from other people, and by default, not electing people to do your stealing for you. It's about paying taxes, spending less than you make, property rights, rewarding hard work, and by implication, that socialism does not work because it is completely out of alignment with property rights, liberty, and incentive.
All right. Why the name, though, Godonomics?
Well, because throughout the project we look at God's wisdom when it speaks to these issues. Like, say, property rights, for example. In Exodus, it talks about do not steal somebody else's donkey, somebody else's horse, somebody else's house. That was property rights. First, free people needed to know that they had rights to their property, and you shouldn't steal other people's property. Second Thessalonians says, don't be a burden and leech off somebody else's bread. Work for your own bread, and if you don't work, you shouldn't eat. And so we got the idea because it's God's wisdom on these issues that many people are talking about. You've probably heard of the socialism value meal.
Sure.
That's where you buy whatever you want, and the guy behind you pays for it.
Sure.
Well, what happens there is the guy buys whatever he wants. He just keeps buying because somebody else has to pay for it. And like Margaret Thatcher said, the problem with socialism is you eventually run out of other people's money.
So kind of what you're going back to what the Bible says as far as things, if you don't